Hey ladies, it's me, April. How's it going? So we're going to go ahead and review this acrylics that I got from the NailJunkie. This is the brand is called the NailJunkie as well. And these are the names of the acrylics. And I was thinking of reviewing this product, but I mean, really, all I want to do is, I don't want to review it because I love Evie. You know, she's my dearest friend, and she has a review. She's hardcore, you know, she's really hardcore, and she'll tell you how it is. So she has her review channel, and I'll leave that link down below so you guys can check her review on it. But I'm just going to be pretty much showing you the swatches and how they go like smoothly or whatnot. That's the only thing I'm going to be showing you guys. But here are the colors. This one is the green one, is Kryptonite. It is a bright neon green. It's very beautiful. It does have a little bit of tiny little specks in it to kind of have it like a little twinkle in there. I don't know, I'm sure you can be able to see it, that you see like little twinkles in there. But that's, you know, pretty much it. It does go smoothly. Her acrylics are very fine, so I'm not used to working with very fine acrylics. So, you know, you do have to work around with that you know, liquid to powder ratio. So it was a little liquidy on my end, but you know, if I just keep playing with it more, I'll get used to more of the, you know, the ratio on that. But it's really nice. So here is the blue one, and I can't even remember at the moment. Poseidon? Yeah, that's it. Poseidon, I believe that's what it was. And this blue is so deep blue purple, very nice. It also glows in the dark as well, and I will show that at the end of the video so you guys can see it. But I do pretty much just do like maybe two balls of each, just to get to, like, you know, the cuticle area. You see, the color looks so pretty. It's very stunning. Evie did a good job with this one. All right, so let's go ahead with the next color. And this one is the yellow, and it's called Lemon Drip. Now, this one is my favorite. I really love this one because it has some kind of like reflective, like little tiny, you know, little sparkly glitters, little fine, extra fine, ultra fine, whichever one. But it's so pretty. You see it, like, I mean, you can even see it right here. I really like it. I've never I've never put any yellow nails on myself, but this one is my favorite color, and I'm gonna do me some yellow nails with this one. What do you guys think? Is this one your favorite? Comment down below. All right, so let's go ahead with the next one. And this one is obviously, it's my favorite out of any acrylic color out there. Anything that is soft white, milky white, anything that's white related, I really love it. It's my favorite. And with hers, it's kind of a little tiny translucent translucenter. Is that a word? But it's a little bit more translucent, and I really like that. You don't really see much of the nail bed on there, but out of all the milky whites, this one is really nice. And it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just super duper pretty. I love it. Clean. All right, so let me go ahead and bring out all of them so you guys can see it. Milk Bath, Kryptonite, Poseidon, and Lemon Drip, which is my favorite. Okay, So let me go ahead and put my swatches down. Okay. But look at this yellow. God, you see, even just a matte version of it, it looks super duper pretty. And then the green has some of it too, but very little bit, not much like the yellow. But anyway, so let's go ahead and put these under a UV lamp or an LED lamp and see how they glow. Now, I was kind of dumb, but I wanted to see if the white actually glue. And the white actually glowed. And I mean, underneath the lamp, it looks like it does, you know, because it has that like light lavender purple look to it. So I was like, ooh, exciting. This would be like, you know, a bonus. But it doesn't at all. So, I mean, I thought that would be like a bonus, but hey, it's all right, you know. But the other three colors, they do glow. They glow very pretty. My camera is not showing you exactly how bright they glow, but they actually glow brighter than it's showing here. So my apologies. The purple one I really like, or the purple bluish one, I really like that one. The colors is just pretty. But I mean, it's too bad that the white one doesn't glow too, but that's just my preference. I love the white the way it is already. It would have just been a bonus if it glowed, but it doesn't matter. I'm cool with it. And so now let's go ahead and top coat these. And I'm using Vanessa Nails. I love this gel top coat because it's like not sticky, not a rubbery feel to it. It's literally like if you're rubbing on glass. It is so smooth and nice and very shiny. So let's go ahead and top coat them. I did the yellow and then the green one because I wanted to go ahead and see, you know, the sparkle to it, which doesn't show as much, but there is some in there. And the blue, I really like this one. And then the white. I just really love this white. I really like it. It's not like hardcore white, like milky white, you know, but it has more of a translucent, I don't know how to explain it, but I love it. Anyways, so this is it. This is done with my video. I will put all the information down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And thanks guys for watching. Bye.